China has led humanitarian assistance on different fields: logistics, medical knowledge, medical support, vaccine support. The stringent measures China applied worked. China managed to control the spread and actuate. For me, I would endorse the measures China undertook because it curtailed the spread of COVID, curtailed the rate of deaths.
I think China is doing, East Asia broadly and China specifically have done a great job, and this is really the model of how pandemics need to be dealt with in the future. I do not agree with the fact that we need to have a sort of tolerance of the virus and let it reside in society.
نجاح الصين الساحق كان بسبب الاعتراف بوجود الأزمة، ويعني البعض تصور إنه الصين كعادتها إنها هتغلق أبوابها وهتتعامل مع الجائحة بشكل فردي، لكن احنا شفنا إنها كان في تبادل للمعلومات واضح، كان في بصفة مستمرة أخبار عما يحدث من الجائحة منذ اللحظة الأولى.
The case of COVID-19 epidemic, it has touched every part of the world. If any country was qualified to deal with this problem, China was the best equipped, and China has shown the best example in terms of how to deal with the COVID-19. We have a lot to learn from China.